Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve Google Chrome error code status underline breakpoint. So to resolve this problem, open Chrome browser. Now here search Chrome. Semicolon /version semicolon /flags, this one. So open this one. Now here just you have to click on reset all. Now here just you have to click on reset all. Now click on relaunch. Still you are facing problem, so guys you can try second method. Now here show desktop icons. Now here right click on it, then properties. Now here click on compatibility, then click on run. So this is the method guys to fix and resolve this error. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.